Hi guys, new updates about how to use Bing AI to generate amazing AI.
Hi guys, good afternoon, good evening, good morning. Depends on wherever that you are listening to us from. Today we are going to learn about amazing and very important AI image creator. So we are going to create image like this ones that you are looking at now. So let's venture into the tutorial. So you open any browser of your choice. So I'm going to use Google to as my browser. So you open the browser, type in Beam Image Creator in your search bar. So when you type in Beam Image Creator in your search bar, it will come this way. You When it comes this way, you click in the first link, Image Creator from Microsoft. So you click like this one, Image Creator from Microsoft. It will come here. So if you are a newcomer or this is the first time of you watching the AI Image Creator like this, you have to sign in with your Google account before you will be able to get this way. So I have already signed in with my Google account. So I'm going to put my prompt here. I'm going to describe the type of image that I'm looking for here. So let's put our prompt here and go on. So this is our prompt. This is our prompt. A Ghanaian beautiful man sitting on Snapchat. So and you click on create. It is creating. So I will put in the prompt in the video description in this video description. So check at the video description, you get this prompt. These are the images that are created by the AI. So a Ghanaian, yeah, Ayuba, okay. So these are the images that are created. You download it by clicking the three dot over there. So you download it by clicking the three dot over there. This is a way some images created by Google AI. So let's come back. You want to create different social media images. So let's use Facebook. Facebook. So you look through and change wherever that you find Snapchat. You place it by using what? Facebook. Wherever that you see Snapchat, you replace it by using what? Facebook. Facebook. So this is it. So you click on create. It's the same procedure that you are going to follow to create other social media. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel. This is Ropinga underscore VVS. So my real name is Ayuba and the rest as follow. So you download the images like this. These are amazing images created by our AI. So these are the images created by our AI. So they are amazing, such a beautiful and always some images. So let's go back to change this one to YouTube. YouTube. So YouTube, wherever that you see Facebook, you change the place to YouTube. YouTube. Okay, you click on create and wait. It is generating the images for you. The AI is generating the images. The AI is generating the images for you. The AI is generating the images for you. So just wait patiently and see the images that is going to be generated. These are the images that have been generated. So fast forward, you click on these three dots and download them. So we are downloading them one after the other. So you click on these three dots and download them. Like this. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video and comment. So let's use WhatsApp. WhatsApp. Wherever that you see YouTube, put WhatsApp there. WhatsApp. You click on create. The AI will be generating the images. Within some short period of time, you will see that the images will be generated. So you continue with TikTok, Instagram, and any social media that you know. Because of the longevity of the video, I don't want the video to be too much. We'll end the video here. So continue to change the name of the social media. You get the exact images that you prefer. You get the exact image. So if we change here to Instagram. So change here to Instagram. So you click on create. the AI will generate the images for you. The AI will generate the images for you within some short period of time. So just be patient and wait. So as you are generating the images, your points here are also reducing. Initially, I was having 15, but it has reduced to 4 points. So you type the image and click download. Click download. So these are the images. So thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to share this video and like it, comment and share. Thank you for watching. Keep on watching my channel.